Hello, traders. This is today is Thursday. It's October 26th. And let me see, before I begin, here's my disclaimer. Any comments made during this live stream should not be taken as an order to enter trades. I do not provide any type of signal services whatsoever. Again, this live stream is strictly for educational purposes only, to illustrate how I trade the VWAP strategy that I teach my students. So any past performance is not indicative of future results. I'm just trying to get my pointer here. So I already plotted our fib retracement and extension. See from the beginning of the opening of the Globex session or the ETH session, it already went all the way down. And I think that's due to what's going on, the war, and also what's going on with the economic, the corporate earnings that's been released. You can see here, from here, we had a big, look at this, we had a big thing here. At the closing, look at this. We just had a lot of these swings there. You can see the swings there at the closing yesterday. Yeah, I can't get, sometimes I need to get my mouse replaced. I can tell that right now. See this, it doesn't want to click there. Click. Goes all the way down here. So you had a range of what? 56 points on going up and down here. This is an MNQ. You see that? And that's what it was doing, just going up and down yesterday on earnings report at the closing. So anyways, this is where we're at right now. So let's see what's going to happen. Pulling into the retracement, the fib retracement, you can see, or may not pull all the way there. Right now that we have at the 50 EMA, may hit that and then come back down. You can see it's bouncing off that 50 EMA. So that's where we're at. So I'm trading a new account here. I'm waiting for my confirmation passing the evaluation on a $25,000 evaluation of VWAP. So I'm waiting for that. So with that said, since they have 90% off when both Apex and VWAP, take advantage of that. You can get easily get a $25,000 evaluation account and get easily past that evaluation. It's only a $1,500 profit target. Trading micros is really advantageous. You can easily reach that within 5 to 7 trading days if you are consistent. And I can show you right now, trading the London session is very consistent. And to remind you again, this is going to be, tomorrow's going to be my last day live streaming the London Open. I'm probably going to record it, but I might maybe do it live stream maybe once a week. But for you to really enjoy this strategy is basically to learn the strategy with the templates. And I'm offering a deal. This is a one-time. I don't know if it's going to be right now. It's going to be a one-time offering, where you don't have to have the coaching. You can watch the video and how I trade it. That's about it. And I'll provide you with the templates that are very, very low cost. Since I won't be live, you won't be getting my mentoring. You'll just be watching a video explain what the entries are and the template, and that's it. And it's going to be one-time, low cost. You'll have access to the indicators. The indicator is going to be the VWAP with the deviation levels. Not these. These are part of MBox wave. But you'll have this. Basically, this is a MACD-BB. You'll get this other one too also. Cumulative delta on this one. And then that That's about it. You won't get the MBox wave, just uh, the VWAP and the deviation levels configured the way you see on the chart here. So if you're interested in that, either you can message me either on Facebook here during this live stream or at YouTube, and I can provide you the details. Okay, so like I said, probably bounce off here at the 50 EMA. That's what it's doing. Just want to confirm here for a movement here. In fact, I already got it. Let me see here.
Order submitted.
There's that move. I never got into that. Never caught up to that. Let me see here.
Order filled.
Oh, there. Went up and got it. It's even better instead of me chasing it. See, I need to get a new mouse because it doesn't really register right away. So my target would probably be here. Good target there. Hello, Vitor. Yeah, Vitor, you can do both, in fact, but I would suggest micros would be great. Higher number of contracts. Like I said, if you take my course, you'll know exactly my ATM settings. I have various ATM settings for and the number of contracts for a 25,000 account and a 50,000 account. So it really depends on what you're trading. But I would prefer trading micros, less risk, and you can adjust the number of contracts you want to trade. That's the reason why I like it. Let me see if I can get here. Hmm. So you can see we hit this blue. That's the first target usually. And I was trying to get this down, but I couldn't move it fast enough. That was the original first target. You can see it hit that blue. Now, sometimes it has a tendency to come back to the retracement, but let's see if that happens. But I don't think it will. We have too much of a momentum to come down, especially with MBox wave here showing a double algo of a selling imbalance still continuing strong. What we see here, we have strong cumulative delta, not only here, but also here as well. Two types of cumulative delta, the MBox cumulative delta, as well as what we call the native cumulative delta that I use here. So since we're already at 20, we got down here to maybe 30 some points. It may test this down to get maybe 50 points. I don't know. Maybe I might go for 40. Okay, for those MBox wave, people who have the MBox wave, you can see this all red, all a lot of supply. You can see that, right? We have selling imbalance with those red numbers on the top. We have a total control dot, another total control dot, indicating total control of the sellers. Basically, this is bouncing off this deviation level. So let's see if it's going to continue coming down. But I can see it's kind of waning out on this cumulative delta here. You see it's decreasing. Same time you see here, this is kind of increasing, right? This is all green, especially with a green histogram. So maybe that's the furthest we ever get, because it's basically reaching down here by the 2.25 minus 2.25 deviation. But you can see we're getting lower lows still, so let's see what happens here. Vital Witch Indicator. This is MBox. It's another software that I use. But the other one, when it comes to rent, this is part of this. This is part of the indicators that you get part of with the VWAP course. So here's the target of the extension. So we're already at what, close to 50 points right now. And no, let's put it right here. The target right now, that's the target. And you see where the bars are. If it gets down there, this may have the propensity to get all the way down here. Why? Because you can see the angle of the deviation levels. They're pointing down. But like I said, I can settle for this right here. I'll be happy.
Stop filled.
Okay. I should have just sold for the 50 points. That's what I should have sold. Didn't quite get down here, but it eventually will. And I think I'm done with this. It's going to come back down. So there, met my goal, 228.50. Get my goals around 200. Let's see if we get another trade here and I'll be done. But that's it, 228. Met my profit target. I could have got a bigger one with 50 points. That would have been huge. So that would have been at least, if I got out at the 50 points, that would be at 262, another $40. Okay, so this is going to try to test this 50 EMA either here or there. Again, like I said, usually when it hits this blue target, and we were close to the, in fact, we were close to the target extension here. And like I said, this may eventually come back down, but right now we can see this trying to get a test. What? It's either going to test the, I can tell you here in the 5 minute, I'll tell you more. You can see in the 5 minute, where's the pullback is at the VWAP. So most likely this may even try to test the VWAP. Or like I said, or the 50 EMA, either one, it's well below there. That's what usually tests. Like it said here, that they're just bouncing off the 50 EMA, the 50 EMA band. And this may test the 50 EMA band again. Okay. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Stay safe and God bless. And I'll be trading the morning session as well later today. And I usually don't live stream that because there's so much volatility. It makes my live stream, my data on my feed from the platform lag. That's the reason why I don't live stream anymore. The morning session. Anyways, talk to you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. God bless. Bye-bye.